Hey guys, so we're here. I'm going to be making some Rasta pasta, and that's to go with my jerk chicken that's on the other side of the stove. I like to use the Penne Rigate. I believe that's how you say it. Correct me in the inbox, in the comment section if I'm wrong. But I like to use this one. It has a nice feel when you eat it because of the ridges. So we're going to get that boiled. And then we're going to start to cut up our other ingredients. Okay, so these are the ingredients for the Rasta pasta. You can use whatever peppers you like. I like to make it colorful. It just makes it look better to me. So I have all 4 colors, yellow, orange, green, red. I also like to use 2 different Alfredo pasta sauces. So I have the 4 cheese Alfredo as well as the creamy Alfredo. And then to give it that actual Rasta pasta taste, of course you have to use jerk seasoning. And the pasta that I'm going to be using today is the Penne Rigate, or Rigate, however you pronounce it. I'm sorry if I mispronounced it. That's number 76. You can use whatever pasta you like as well. If you want to use like a linguine or any different variety of penne is pretty good to me. Yeah. And then of course you'll just use little black pepper and just a few other things just to season up the pasta, but not too much. Okay, and then you can pair the Rasta pasta with anything. You can put it with shrimp, which I'm going to also be making besides jerk chicken. So yeah, it's pretty versatile. Okay guys, so what I did was I cut them in half, the peppers, and then I took out the little cores and the seeds and stuff like that. Then I easily sliced them. Okay, just ran it down. I find it easy if you put it on the back. You just run your knife down like so. You get an easy slice. And then once I cut the slices, I put them together. And then this one I cut in half, but I cut them in 3s for the longer strips so that it can match close to the size of the panini. Okay guys, so we're here. We're going to get the Rasta pasta cooking in the pot. And here I have some oil, just enough to coat the pot. Chopped up a little bit of garlic here, so the pot should be hot enough. You don't want it to burn, you just want it to saute. Just want it to soften up a little bit, not to really brown. I have my peppers here. Smell the garlic. Fresh garlic is always the best. Okay, I'm going to throw my peppers in there. Saute that a little bit. Have it on a medium low because we are making a white sauce. You don't really want it to burn, so we're just sauteing. And this is a non-stick wok. I got this from Macy's for about 30 bucks, and it has done wonders for me. And we have the jerk chicken cooking in the oven. And it's getting some color on the top. And I do that so that we still get the crisp, still get the color. But we also, most importantly for me, we keep the skin. We're going to cover this for just a minute, let it cook. Let's get our sauces are going to be ready. On that chicken.
I can do take me.
Sorry guys, I was about to order. Okay. So this is softened up just a little bit. What you want to do is make sure that whatever texture you want the peppers to be, whether it's soft or crunchy, you want to get it done right here before you add that sauce in, because you're not going to be cooking it much. It's just to reheat it and incorporate the pasta in. Okay. Put a little black pepper. Say about half a teaspoon there. Doesn't need any salt. And if you want it to be a little spicy, because I'm using mild seasoning, you can add a little pepper flakes. And I just add pasley to everything. A sprinkle here and there. And you can also add a little onion powder. So we're going to toast that up. Put that chicken again. And it's almost stale color. So we're going to take that chicken out soon. And just the smell of this is wonderful. You could just like literally smell it. It's so good. Okay, so now we're going to add the sauce. You don't want to add all at the same time. Peppers alone are already coloring the sauce, giving it a nice flavor. Okay. Now we're going to add our jerk sauce. I'm going to start off with just 1 spoon. Not a heaping, but just enough. So you don't want to overpower it. Okay, once the sauce is finished, then you just add the pasta in. We're going to make sure that the sauce is the way you want it to be. If you like it to be saucy, or if you plan on adding something in here like a meat, you'll want to put that extra sauce in there. I'm going to be making a separate piece for some shrimp. We're just gonna saute some shrimp separately and then just throw it in there. I like to cook shrimp separate and then add it after. Okay, so we're gonna taste this and see if it has enough seasoning.
Here's one. It's from the cooler. It's nasty.
But add a little bit more jerk seasoning.
My nose is running.
Okay. I'd probably say that's about maybe 3 teaspoons, 3 to 4 teaspoons. But you can add 2 teaspoons and then see if it tastes, you know, to your likings, or if you need to add some more. And we'll taste it again. That's good. Okay, so now we're going to add the pasta. Just get these out of here. That chicken is just about done. So we're going to start to add our pasta in. Okay, so we add all the pasta in. Now we're going to continue to combine this. As you can see, the amount of sauce of the 2 cans was perfect for 1 full box of the pasta. And if your pasta got a little dried up like mine from having it drained, it's fine. Just throw it in. As you can see, it loosens right back up and gets to the way it needs to be. Okay. This is done. So that's done.